Many people saw the news recently about Biden falls as he climbed up the stairs of Air Force One, where he tripped twice before falling.
Hi everyone, this is Freya Girl. Welcome to this beautiful mansion. I'll teach you how to use the stairs without falling. First, you look down and up and step by one and be slowly so that you will stand up. Because if you walk fast, you might stumble. To Grandpa Joe, who I respect too much, just a reminder, if you use the stairs, just be slowly. So that no accident will happen. To Grandpa Joe, especially when you are already old, just take care when you go up to the airplane. So what I could say, when you go up and down the staircase, just be careful.